Review of the WEIDMAX handheld bidet sprayer. Introducing the WEIDMAX handheld bidet sprayer, crafted from premium stainless steel for durability and reliability. This bidet sprayer features a leak-proof design with a double lock system and EPDM inner tube for ultimate performance. Say goodbye to rust and corrosion, the sprayer guarantees an extended lifespan, making it a long-term investment. Perfect for the entire family, it's ideal for baby cloth diaper cleaning, pet showers, and personal hygiene. Enjoy an Asian lifestyle with this versatile tool that caters to various cleaning needs around the home. Installation is a breeze, just follow the provided instructions for a hassle-free setup. This product has a 100% satisfaction guarantee, offering refunds or replacements if needed. Control the water pressure effortlessly, with options for gentle or jet sprays to suit different tasks. Each package includes a 49-inch stainless steel hose and a wall-mounted sprayer holder for convenience. This handheld bidet sprayer is well-built, easy to use, and offers a level of hygiene that toilet paper simply can't match. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom experience with a quality BumGun, consider purchasing the WEIDMAX handheld bidet sprayer today.